Hi guys, nice and easy one today. We're going to be swapping out some side lights.
Well, first of all, we're going to remove this back plate. Just simply a switch over and it comes out. So the side light is your very bottom corner one. You can't really see where I'm pointing here, but the trick for this side is take the cover off your fuse box. Gives you a bit more room to get to it. Now from here we can take the old bulb out and replace it with a new one. Once you swap that bulb out, you just want to push it back into place now. Find the hole, make sure it's pushed firmly in. That side's done. Now do the same for this side. And there we have two side lights done.
Thanks for listening guys, hope this helps some of you out. You got any comments, any suggestions, leave them down below. Give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.